In this video, I will show you how to turn off keyboard sounds on iPhone. So let's jump straight into it. So with the keyboard on iPhone, when you actually use the keyboard and you start to type, it's going to start making these sounds. So if you want to actually disable this, as it can get quite annoying, all you need to do is open up your iPhone settings. In your settings, what you want to do is just scroll down the page slightly until you see the option for sounds and haptics, and then give that a press. Then what you want to do on the next screen is scroll down until you see the system sounds and haptics section, and you're going to see an option for keyboard feedback. So what you want to do is give this a press. As you can see, sound is currently turned on. So all you need to do is go ahead and turn this off. And by doing that, when you next go ahead and use your keyboard, it's not going to play a sound when you actually type anything on your keyboard. So that is how to turn off keyboard sounds on iPhone. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.